One more recipe for you. Here I am with Rosanna. Rosanna, che ci prepari oggi?
Dolcetti di mandorla.
She's going to make almond cookies. The very, very delicious soft almond cookies. But before we get started, Rosanna needs to wear the magic apron. Alessandra's food is love. Rosanna, sei pronta?
Sì.
Ok, ecco qua. What are the ingredients, Rosanna? Quali ingredienti useremo?
500 grammi di mandorla, 380 grammi di zucchero semolato passato nel mixer, 4 albumi, una bustina di vanillina e l'essenza di mandorla.
She's going to be using almonds that she actually put through a mixer, sugar, granulated sugar that's been put through a mixer, 4 egg whites, the famous pan degli Angeli Italiano, and almond essence. You know, I will write this recipe step by step. And of course, we have the Sorrento lemons. These are very local, they're organic. Everyone has a few trees in their house. And of course, right here we have to decorate the cookies are peeled almonds, regular almonds, and the little cherries. Sana, cosa faremo ora con le mandorle?
Mettiamo lo zucchero nelle mandorle.
Mettiamo lo zucchero. We're gonna put the sugar in the almonds and put it through the mixer. Lo passiamo nel mixer tutto insieme, così diventa bello sottile. Ok? So let's go ahead with this step. Rosanna is going to add the vanilla, the little bags of vanilla essence. If not, just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. The almond essence is going in now. Explain to me that the eggs is a quart. It's it could be 3 of the egg whites or 4 depending on the texture. So she's gonna start adding it. Però stavo spiegando che dipende gli albumi quanto ne assorbe dalla grandezza delle uova, also the size of the eggs. Usually the eggs look like a large. I guess the eggs are the same size like in America. Allora, Rosanna, proced. You don't want to over-wet the mixture. It needs to be just right, and I will show you the consistency. Allora, la buccia di limone, the lemon zest, and I also want you to come closer. Facciamo vedere la consistenza di questi dolcetti. I want you to see the consistency of the dough because that's the trick.
La consistenza che deve venire non deve venire troppo molla e né troppo dura.
Large tip also used to make zeppole di San Giuseppe, and I have a recipe on if you want to take a look at that. So lo mettiamo nella sacca poche. Look how pretty they're coming out. You could cut the cherries in half and place them right on top of the cookie. Look, Rosanna just showed me if it comes a little high, just take the cherry and press down on the cookie. Almonds right on. She pushes them down to make the cookie a little flatter. Dammi Mattia, grazie. Lo riprendi? Mattia is also helper today. That's Rosanna's grandson. Please, by the way, I just want you to know she is crazy. But because of the camera, she's on best behavior. Because the mouth, oh Gesù Cristo mio, quello che gli esce dalla bocca di questa donna. Però oggi con la telecamera sta in buona condotta. She's being very, yeah, she's letting go. Grazie Mattia, more lemon. Thank you Mattia. Ecco qui. Oh, thank you, more lemon from Mattia. Thank you Mattia. Thank you. Rosanna shared a little secret. Before baking them, 10 minutes in the freezer, 10 minuti nel congelatore, so they hold their shape. And then in the oven at 375. We'll have an espresso while these cool down. Okay. Mattia is starting early. Mattia, ma tu sei un tesoro. Look at him cut. Look at him do this. Bravissimo. Oh, I think Master Chef in the making right here. A final tip. If you don't want to use a tip, look what Rosanna is showing us. You just roll it into a ball, like that. It's the size of a ping pong ball. And just add look how cute it comes out. Out of the freezer, in the oven, 375. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, they're ready. Rosanna, pronti? Wow, wow, wow. Rosanna, e ora, what do we need to do?
Si devono raffreddare e poi si tolgono e si mettono nel vassoio.
Perfetto. Nel vassoio. We have little Mattia helping his nonna baking. Mattia, cosa stai facendo? Il forno, attento che è caldo il forno. 10 minutes in the oven, they're ready. Rosanna is gonna show you exactly the color they need to be. Don't overcook them, they're a soft cookie. And let's open one together. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Look at that. See, it's still a little soft inside, and that's how you want it. The best part of the video is to taste it. Sai come si dice in inglese? Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. Come si dice qua invece?
E a Napoli si dice a fine romun.
A fine romun si dice a Napoli. It's been nothing but amazing. This is Rosanna, my cousin. Her dad and my mother were brothers. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Rosanna, grazie, 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 grazie per questa bellissima giornata insieme a te. I love you, Rosanna. Grazie, arrivederci, alla prossima. Kiss. Ciao ciao.
Ciao ciao.